What's up, everyone? Big news for Black Friday. Drake and NOCTA are dropping a mystery box, and it sounds like a must-have for any streetwear fan. For just $50, you're guaranteed at least $50 in value. But here's where it gets interesting. There's a chance for random upgrades. So what could you get? The possibilities are wild. Some boxes might have standard gear, but others could hold rare, high-tier items. We're talking puffer jackets, tech hoodies, cargo pants, or even sneakers like the Hot Step 2 or the special Air Force One South. There are also accessories like duffel bags, ski vests, and even skate decks teased. It's a total gamble. You might get everyday staples, or you could score a one-of-one exclusive. The sleek black packaging just adds to the suspense. This drop is happening tomorrow, so get ready. What do you hope to find in your box? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.